Section 11-3, Part 1. 11-3, Part 1. Finding measures of third angles in triangles. Find the missing angle measure in each triangle. I'm going to name this triangle number 1. For us to work number 1, what is the missing angle? We know that 32 degrees plus 43 degrees plus the measure of angle 1 should equal to 180 degrees. We know all three of these together should add up to 180. If I add these two together, 32 plus 43 gives me 75, plus the measure of angle 1 equals to 180. We need to subtract 75 from both sides. If you subtract 75 from both sides, the 75's cancel on the left side. Therefore, the measure of angle 1 is equal to, subtract here, borrow from the 8 leaves it a 7, the 0 becomes a 10, 10 minus 5 is 5, 7 minus 7 0, and bring down your 1. So the measure of angle 1 is 105 degrees. If you just simply want to add these two together and subtract it from 180, that's fine. That's the same answer. You would have got 105. Let's look at this triangle, number 2. Let's find the measure of the missing angle. I have 59 and 21, so 59 degrees plus 21 degrees plus the measure of angle 2 should add up to 180 degrees. Well, 59 plus 21, that gives me 80 degrees, plus the measure of angle 2 equals to 180. Subtract 80 from both sides. Subtracting 80 from both sides of your equation, the 80's cancel, so the measure of angle 2 equals to 180 minus 80 gives you 100 degrees. So the measure of angle 2 is 100 degrees. Next, let's look at number 3. Looking at number 3 here, find the missing angle. I have a triangle that has a degree of 50 and 45. 50 degrees plus 45 degrees plus the measure of angle 3 equals to 180. Well, 50 plus 45 is 95, plus the measure of angle 3 equals to 180. Subtract 95 from both sides of your equation. 95's cancel. Therefore, you get the measure of angle 3 is equal to, we need to subtract here, borrowing 1 from the 8 leaves it a 7, makes the 0 become a 10. 10 minus 5 gives you 5, and 17 minus 9 gives you 8. So the measure of angle 3 is 85. And then last, number 4, the measure of angle 4. You can add these two together. I'll show you the shortcut. Just add the two together. 65 degrees plus 20 degrees. You add those together, you get 85 degrees. And then 180 minus 85. 180 minus 5. If you subtract, I'll do the subtraction to the side. 180 minus 85. Borrow from the 8 leaves it a 7. Makes the 0 become a 10. 10 minus 5 is 5. And 17 minus 8 is 9. So number 4, the missing angle is 95 degrees. So all three angles on the interior of a triangle equal to 180 degrees.